Hello everyone. Pav Bhaji is a very famous Mumbai food and it's really delicious. Everyone likes to eat this dish. Pav is nothing but it's a kind of bun that you could get almost in all the bakeries. And Bhaji is mashed vegetable curry. Let's get into the video to see the easiest version of Pav Bhaji, and anybody can make this at home. Take a pressure cooker. Add 1 cup of chopped potatoes, could be big pieces. One cup of chopped carrots. Half cup of peas. Add required amount of water. Keep the cooker on the stove. Let it make 2 whistles, not more than that. Switch off and keep it aside. Now, let's see some important ingredients for the vegetable curry. I took finely chopped onions, a cup of finely chopped tomatoes, and some ginger garlic paste. The pressure got released from the cooker. Mash the veggies nicely. Keep a kadai on the stove. Pour some oil. Add a piece of butter. Add the chopped onions. Fry them for a couple of minutes. And then add the ginger garlic paste. Add the required salt. Fry until the onions become translucent. It's time to add the chopped tomatoes. And you could see the water from the tomatoes oozing out. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Fry until the tomatoes become soft, and also you could mash it with the ladle like this. Now add 2 full spoons of Pav Bhaji masala. Add half spoon of red chili powder as per your spice level. Give a nice mix. You can add some more butter. Add the mashed veggies into this now. At this stage, if you want, you can add little more water as per the consistency. Cook for 5 minutes until the bhaji thickens. And then switch off the stove. Add some lemon juice to the curry. Add finely chopped coriander leaves. Now the bhaji is ready. Heat butter on a pan. Place the pav buns on the stove and toast them both sides. Serve it along with a side of chopped onions and lemon wedges. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy eating. Thanks for watching.